in a world where technology is advancing at an unprecedented pace, ChatGPT's advanced language processing abilities and vast knowledge base make it a formidable contender.
Day by day, the use of ChatGPT Open AI is increasing at an unprecedented rate. What can we do with this wonderful AI chatbot? Is there anything that we didn't know about the useful tools in ChatGPT? Let us dive further in. Number 1. Helps in coding. For students trying to address coding-related issues, ChatGPT can be a useful tool. It can give rapid responses to straightforward queries regarding grammar, algorithms, and data structures, saving students time and enhancing their comprehension of programming principles. When it comes to problem solving, ChatGPT is phenomenal. Students may use ChatGPT to ask questions about coding and programming in particular, and it can offer step-by-step instructions on how to tackle coding challenges. Additionally, ChatGPT may provide students with code hints, recommendations, and best practices to assist them advance their coding knowledge and abilities. Number 2. Use for language translation. The GPT can provide an accurate translation into a different language by given a source text in one language. This can help translators save a lot of time so they can concentrate on more difficult duties, like ensuring cultural relevance and correctness. By creating material that is specialized to a particular location or audience, ChatGPT may also assist in localization. ChatGPT translation operates by examining text and spotting linguistic patterns and structures. It then produces correct translations using this information. The system has been trained on a vast quantity of data, enabling it to comprehend linguistic subtleties and provide precise translations in real time. Number 3. Helps in personal finance. For many people, managing their own money can be difficult. With so many financial services, investments, and products available, it can be challenging to know where to begin or how to make wise choices, and can provide individualized guidance on a range of financial issues, including debt management, investing, and retirement planning. ChatGPT may give specialized advice and insights to assist you in making financially wise decisions by evaluating your financial position and goals. For instance, based on your preferences and money, ChatGPT can recommend tools and applications to help you manage your spending and adhere to a budget if you're having trouble doing so. Number 4. Medical information. Another significant use of ChatGPT in medicine is the creation of virtual assistants to help patients manage their health. It may be used to automatically create summaries of patient interactions and medical histories, streamlining the process of maintaining medical records for physicians and nurses. Medical practitioners may use ChatGPT to dictate their notes and have it automatically summarize important information like symptoms, diagnosis, and treatments. It can also pull pertinent data from patient records like test findings or imaging reports. Number 5. Recipe suggestions. You don't have to eat takeaway or the leftovers from the previous night to get by each day. If you're stumped on what to do for dinner, ChatGPT can provide you with a selection of recommendations for quick, simple dishes you may make every day. This works particularly well if you get proficient at coming up with precise prompts. You may request a chatbot to recommend high-protein or high-fiber meals from a specific cuisine, for example. Alternatively, ChatGPT can provide you healthier food options that are tailored to your particular requirements if you have a medical condition. Number 6. A good game companion. By offering gameplay-related strategic support and guidance, ChatGPT may be employed in gaming. The player's position may be examined by ChatGPT, which can then recommend the best course of action. For instance, ChatGPT may advise employing a certain item or skill, or a particular method of defeating an adversary. In order to assist the player in making wise choices, ChatGPT may also give information on the game mechanics, such as the advantages and disadvantages of certain characters or weapons. ChatGPT is an effective tool for enhancing performance and optimizing the player's pleasure of the game due to its capacity to recognize and react to the player's input in a natural and intuitive manner. Number 7. Content generation. It might take a lot of time to create content. Writing a single blog article often takes more than 4 hours for many marketers. You've already completed half of your shift. Thank goodness the bots are present. That 4-hour average can be reduced to only 5 minutes by using AI-powered solutions like ChatGPT and content at scale. You may concentrate on more crucial activities like SEO and content promotion because the machine will do all the research and writing. You may create interesting content that suits the preferences and demands of your target audience using ChatGPT's sophisticated language model. Number 8. Education and tutoring. The benefit of using ChatGPT in education is that it helps lighten instructors' workloads. Regularly requested questions may be addressed through ChatGPT, freeing up teachers' time to concentrate on more difficult assignments. Additionally, it can aid students who need extra support outside of scheduled class times. As a virtual tutor, ChatGPT may give students 24/7 access to individualized learning materials. Additionally, chatbots may automate routine chores like grading and responding to frequently asked inquiries, freeing up instructors' time to concentrate on giving their pupils a high-quality education. Number 9. Mental health companion. When it comes to mental health, the patient and how to deliver the best care are the major priorities. However, as the need for mental health services grows, it becomes more and more challenging for doctors to fulfill both the particular requirements of their patients and the demand for mental health services. Conversational artificial intelligence-based therapy for generalized psychological treatment, ChatGPT can help in this situation. Number 10. Learning new skills. Because it provides study help, ChatGPT is an excellent learning tool for pupils. ChatGPT can provide you with individualized guidance and support whether you need help getting started on a new assignment or are stuck on a particular topic. It can even help you identify areas for improvement and provide helpful resources. You may utilize ChatGPT to improve your writing abilities, experiment with different writing styles, and even acquire assignment ideas. When working on assignments, it might be challenging for students to get in touch with their teacher for feedback. Thus, this AI tool is undoubtedly helpful. If you enjoyed watching our content, do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Comment your thoughts below in the comment section.